Hey happy person! Today I want to share with you a super simple yet very cute and fun Christmas money holder card I made for my nieces and nephews. I will show you 2 ways to make it with a Cricut machine and without one. Hope you enjoy! So I have these pre-made cards or Amazon or anything like that. I'll actually try to link some down below. So you're just gonna start by just folding the pre-made card. Got the envelope for later. And we're gonna set that aside. I did this the wrong way. I probably didn't need to do it all like that. I didn't need to go through all that. I just needed to make one line this way. I just needed to make this one line and this one line. Okay? And you'll see why. And then I'm just gonna cut. Okay, now to score this paper, I'm just gonna use my butter knife. So I'm going to, again, you put my little thing here, and I'm going to use the edge of my butter knife to score in a little spot. Use the edge of my butter knife to score so that it creases nicely. I don't know if you can see, kind of see like a little, if I do this, you'll be able to see it better. See how it makes the crease a lot nicer. So we'll see like how it will fold a lot nicer now. It's folding in, and then I'm folding it in, and then we're gonna fold it over just like before, just like the other one. My glue stick ran away. Oh, here. Okay. You steal your kid's glue stick or your grandkid's glue stick. Just kidding. And actually, I just thought of something. I don't want these little, see how it's kind of bending? Just gonna cut that at an angle. Cut the corners off so we don't have those in there. There, much nicer. Much nicer. And now we're gonna get all gluey. Gluey. Push this down, and I'm going to try to just really push on those edges and crease them so that they are stuck together like a little envelope, whatever you call it. Perfect. Set that aside. Now I'm coming back to my card, and I've got whatever stuff I have. This is what I have right now, or this is what I have left. So now I'm just going to cut a piece the length of the card. And I forgot to turn my hot glue gun on. Take a sip. And actually, while I'm waiting for the hot glue gun to turn on now, I'm gonna put this aside and I'm just gonna make the tag. Somehow I don't like that. Yeah, that's more like it. Okay. So I'm gonna do this one first because I think this one is the one I want. Like that. Maybe I even want it a little bit different. Eyeball it. It's cuter when it looks like you just did it anyway. The whole point. There. Just check it. I like this to be in the middle. And actually, no. Then, got my little. I'm kind of far from my. Don't burn me. We are all right. Okay, and we are secure. And now we're in the front. We need a bow. So we're going to make 2 loops like you were when you were a kid, 2 bunny ears. And just like a kid, you're just gonna do the bunny ears. The bunny ear dance. You're gonna pull it. And I'm probably just gonna show you when I'm done because this is crazy. This takes me a little bit. I like to fidget with it until it's perfectly the way I like it. Then once that is that, then you do this. And you cut. And you pinch and cut. Pinch. Piece. I'm just gonna cut a little snippet. We're gonna loop it through. Set a little bloopity bloop bloop here. Bow. Then you take your bow and you paste it. You paste it. Okay. So now, then you just write to and from. Da, 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 da. See, that's super cute. And then you've got your inside and you can just tuck whatever money you're giving right there. Da, 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 da. And yes, it'll still fit in your mail without problems because I sent these to my nieces and my nephews in other states. And there was no problem. Thank you as always for giving me a moment of your day. Have a blessed one. Bye.